and
Yes.
I have been an anchor with NDTV. I did my studies in journalism, and I did my bachelor's first, then I did my master's, and I used to anchor entertainment and trending segments at NDTV 24/7. And before that, I
Okay.
worked with NDTV Corp, and I used to make documentaries. In fact, I've covered IMA's passing out parade as well, since you said the Indian Army,
Yes,
right?
madam. Yes.
So
Yeah, madam. Okay.
yeah.
Hmm. Hmm.
So now, why have you joined this class? I would like to know.
Madam, sorry, I could not hear properly you, madam. Please tell me
I
again.
said, why? What is your agenda or purpose of joining this class?
Madam,
Huh?
yes, madam. Yes. Hmm.
Yeah. So I wanted to know your purpose of joining this class.
Hello.
Can
Hmm.
you hear me now? Can you hear me
Yes, madam. Sorry, I have received call. That's why
now? No
we're
worries.
okay. Hmm.
No worries. So let me know, what is your purpose of joining this class?
To learn English language and to improve your English skill. Hmm.
Okay.
To
That's
improve
really
my
nice.
yes, madam. Hmm.
That's really nice. So today I'll ask you certain questions and you can answer them. And I'll just
Yes,
tell you on how those answers can be said in a better way so that you improve more. Is that fine?
yes, yes, madam. Yes, yes.
Okay. So let me just ask you. So tell me something, one thing that you really like about the Indian Army.
Yes, madam. Definitely, I like to Indian Army because I am doing job in Indian Army. That's why definitely I like to Indian Army. Mm.
Okay. Okay. So what can we learn like from the Indian Army? If there is one thing that we as civilians can learn from the Army, what would that be?
Yes, madam. First of all, every person should learn from an army person to be respect do everyone and punctuality. For example, army person can maintain their schedule in a very good manner. In
Yeah.
this that type, every civilian person can maintain their daily routine in a punctuality manner. For example, time to time wake up, doing a breakfast, and going their job, whatever they do. But at their regular time. Do not mistake in their routine.
Okay, that is fine. In this like way that you said, no, like they can be punctual. So you can say army personals are generally very punctual. So you can use
Yes.
the word generally. It just makes it sound better. Okay.
Yeah,
Otherwise, what
okay.
you said was nice. If you just use the word generally in it, it'll make it sound better. Then another
Better.
thing that you can use, yeah.
Hmm.
So just use army personals are generally very
Hmm.
punctual. They do things time to time, so you
Hmm.
can just use this word time to time. So that makes it sound better, right?
Okay, madam. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So now the next question that I'll ask you: how can I be disciplined like the Indian Army? Like, how can I, as a person, be disciplined like the Indian Army, the people in the Indian Army?
Madam, just I said that key to maintain their routine on their time to time. It means to live in disciplinary manner. For example, to speak or everyone with a very good manner and to be respect everyone because army person generally respect everyone who are small or poor or rich or senior or junior. Every army person generally respect everyone. Mm. That's
Right.
why it is copy by or civilian person. Hmm, I
Okay.
think. Hmm.
That's really nice. So here you could, like whenever you're saying a sentence, like if you write, if you say you know in front of it, it sounds better. Like, so
Okay.
the Indian Army people are very punctual. They live in
Hmm.
a routine, and that
Huh.
can help you get more discipline. So you can
Yes,
just say
madam.
you know, right? So in the
Yes, madam. Yes,
starting
I
of a
said.
sentence, when you're speaking, not of course not when you're writing, but
Hmm.
when you're speaking, you can write you know in front of it. It'll sound better.
Okay, madam. Okay.
Okay. So now next question we'll go on to. Okay.
Yes, madam.
So what are the challenges that an Indian soldier faces?
Yes, madam. It is based on their current location. For example, army unit which present at high altitude area,
Right.
they face many different type of challenges. For example, climate challenges, and then sometimes army person should not get a proper ration because of ice falling down in our road that time. And
Right.
sometime army person can face a medical difficulty because of uh, climate issue and ice falling down issue. And it is based on location. uh, for example, which army person live in a peace area, that time
Right.
every army person should maintain their routine very properly. For example,
Right.
every day do have to do a PT, then their official duty, and uh, whatever more challenges can face our army person. But after that he are very happy because he doing
Right.
serving as a nation. Mm.
Right. That's very nice. That I really like that answer of yours. The simple another technique that I'll tell you, like with
Uh,
each question, I'll tell you a technique that you can use. So, like here, I asked you, what are the challenges that an Indian soldier faces? Right. So you said, of course, the Indian soldier faces a lot of challenges. So you just use the word, of course. So it's a very
yes.
easy way. These are very small things. They're not like big words that nobody understands. You're not using words that hi-fi English professors use. You were using normal words like of course,
Okay, madam.
so these make the sentences look very presentable, right?
Yes, madam. Yes. Mm.
Okay, so now we'll go on. So what are the three things that I've told you till now?
Yes, madam.
What are the three things? Do you remember?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, so what are they?
To skip, on first starting sentence, then use generally words in sentence, and
Yeah.
of course, it is a standard word and normal word, not a hi-fi word. Everyone can
Right.
understand or feeling. It is a general word.
Yes. Very good. You're really benefiting from this session.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. That's why I joined our session.
Okay. So now we'll say, what are the challenges that a military family faces?
Yeah, madam. Yes, madam. They are of course they are face many different type of challenges. I
I like that.
I
That was
like the
really
I
nice.
can't
You
no,
use
I
the word,
can't.
of course.
Yes, madam. I can't say their challenges because which family belong to army persons, she knows which challenges she faced. For example, her husband on the border, that time if her son or child are suddenly injured in a that time she has to go medical treatment for alone without any support.
Yeah.
For example, just like she is a army person equivalent their wife, they are facing same challenges, but army person can face on border and she face in her home because she live without her main person, her husband.
Yeah.
And
Right.
sometimes army person can be given a leave on time, or other sometime doesn't get leave on army person. That time she has to face to celebrate their festival in their children, her children,
Right.
without her
Yeah.
husband.
Without
It
her
is a
husband.
more difficult problem, but she know that my husband doing a job very well. That's why she accept her husband's
Okay.
feelings. Hmm.
Right. Okay. I have
Yes.
this is a normal question that I have for you. Does the man also feel the same? The soldier feel the same if his wife is away? Does he also feel that, oh, she's
Yeah.
away from me?
Uh, Hello, madam. Please pardon me. Tell me again.
Yeah. Can you? I was asking, does the soldier also, like, do you also or the other people also feel, oh, she's away from me? Does it affect you also?
Yes, madam. But now I am I am unmarried, madam.
Okay, okay.
I'm not married, but
But do
my
other people feel?
yes, ma'am. I definitely feel very bad because there was my mom is live alone, and
Okay,
sometime I could not able to go in home at a any festival. That time she
right,
feel very bad. Hmm.
right.
Yes,
Okay.
madam.
So next question. This answer was good. You're speaking really well, and I like the fact that you started with "of course." So that was a very good thing. Okay, so now
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
go to the next question. Do
Yes,
you
madam.
think soldiers get the required respect that they should get in return of their sacrifice that they do in our nation?
Uh, yes, madam. Because they are a frontline hero. Hmm.
Yeah,
Of course, everyone should be respect by army person because army persons not do not guarantee when he survives or not survive.
right,
Because of army person every nation's person live in a live with their family in a safety manner. That's why every
right,
person should respect of army person. Yeah, madam.
right. That's good. That is really nice. So when you're talking about the Indian Army as a subject, you'd know there are these different mottos. No, I'm not sure of any, but like Parishram se Nipurta or something
No,
like
madam.
that.
No, madam. There were a different type of. There are several type of unit, and every unit has a different type of motto. For
Okay,
example, my unit is a border road organization. My unit is
okay,
motto is Shramen Sarvam Sadhyam.
okay,
It means
okay,
we can do because of hard work. Hmm.
okay,
Hmm.
okay.
Yes,
Right.
madam.
So that's really nice. So whenever you're talking about like your this thing, like you can say, soldiers work so hard, and this is the motto that we follow, and this means this. So that also adds value. It sounds better. Even
Okay,
though,
okay, madam.
even though the this thing will be in Hindi, the motto is in Hindi, but when you explain the meaning in English, it sounds good. Like when you explain it, comes and everything. It was really nice.
Yes,
Okay.
madam. Okay, madam. I
So
will
now I'll
try
tell
to
you a
my
few
best.
tips.
Hmm.
Yes, do that. So I'll tell you a few tips that I generally ask people to do and which works a lot for everybody is that every day, like you know what a thesaurus is?
Meaning what?
So thesaurus is a book. It's something like a dictionary. Okay. So
Okay.
you can get a thesaurus or a dictionary. And in that dictionary, you'll find a word like every day, make a notebook and write down 5 new words in it every day. Okay. And see how they can be used in a sentence. And that day, that particular day, use that sentence as much as you can.
Okay, madam. Okay.
Yeah. So
Yes,
when
madam.
you do
Definitely.
that, when you use it in sentence every day, like I generally ask people, yeah, open the selfie camera of your phone or
Hmm.
stand in front of the mirror, learn those 5 words and use that in sentences every day before you go to work,
Okay, madam.
right? And while you're working, you can use those sentences,
Yes, madam.
right?
It is best
So
technique to remember this word. Hmm?
yeah, so you use those words and you definitely let me know if it has helped you in any way. And
Yes.
is there anything you would like to ask me?
No, madam. But I feel very well because I am speaking a lady anchor who represents our TV anchoring channel. That's why I'm feeling good, madam. My questions, no, my side, no any question or about in English. Hmm?
Okay. Was an NDTV anchor. I resigned in January. Right now, I teach students for the IELTS exam that you write to go abroad. So that exam that people write, so I teach students to clear that exam, and I take English speaking classes, and I take journalism classes also. So I'm a freelance teacher right now. Earlier, yes, I used to be on TV and on the internet. A lot of these things that I did, and I have a lot of respect for the army. A lot of
Yes, madam.
respect for the
Definitely,
army.
every person should do a respect of army person because they are a real hero. Hmm? Hmm.
That's true. That is very true. They do so much for our country, and they're the
Yes, madam.
unsung heroes of today.
But
In fact,
madam,
when I had joined college, so I was having a discussion with my head of the department. So I was asking him, I'm like, you know, there's so many soldiers who die on the border, and we don't even cover it as media people. Why don't we cover it? Like, why don't we cover it each and every time? It'll be like one person who, you know, sacrifices his or her life at the border. One person is highlighted. Not everybody is highlighted. Every day there are so many people who,
yes,
you know,
madam.
get hurt or get injured. So he, you know, so I had a huge fight with him. I'm like, you know, they should be covered for. So I've always said that like for the photo. I have a huge amount of respect. I hope to see you next time in
Okay,
another
madam.
session.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam. Okay. Good night. Good night,
It's
madam.
lovely talking. Bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye.